Let's be honest, hyper-casual games are pretty trash for the most part. My son seems to be in an infinite loop where he'll download one, watch an ad within 30 seconds for another game, download that one, and repeat. There's no denying that some of them are pretty imaginative, and some of them are pretty weird. I saw him play one called Gun Sprint, and I had a sudden urge to recreate it. So here's that. I made a little gun out of cubes, using this image as a reference. Beautiful. I set this bad boy up to fire on mouse down. It's paramount in hyper-casual games that the controls are either simple tap or slide. Anything more than that and they fall flat. We're catering to the brainless masses here, remember? Using vector 3 dot to determine the facing direction of the gun, I added torque accordingly. I found when trying to spin the opposite direction, the current angular velocity cancelled out the reversal, so I added some additional torque to help with that. I added some backwards force to each shot, enabled gravity, and found it was okay to handle. Although I found it tricky to stay in the air, so I added some upward force to each shot depending on the Y position. Here's the final script. At this stage, I drew the rest of the fucker now, and here's what I came up with. Good. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. The script can be found down below. See you later.